Just 3 ingredients. Add eggs and potatoes. In a frying pan, add half a cup of olive oil. Then slice an onion. This recipe will surprise you, it's simply delicious. Make it at home and let me know what you think of it. Now I'm going to cut up 2 potatoes. Take the time to tell me from which city you're watching us, so I can thank you and send you a big hug. Put the potatoes in with the onion. Mix well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video, so I know you liked it. Add olive oil to taste. Now sauté for 3 minutes. In a bowl, add 4 eggs. Salt to taste. Beat everything well and set aside. The potatoes and onions are already sautéed. I'll put them in a bowl to remove the excess oil. Then I'll add the beaten eggs. Mix everything together very well. Pour into the frying pan and spread well. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. And our recipe is ready, easy and delicious to prepare at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.